So hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and here is a quick update regarding one of the lab of the level 1 arcade games. So here you can see this lab, that is monitoring projects has been marked as optional. You can see the required tag is removed, so you can avoid this lab and complete all the remaining labs. You'll be getting the badge without any issue. Okay, basically, the problem was that you were unable to select project ID 2 over here, so they have marked it as optional. Now just complete these all remaining labs which are having required tag and these also. Okay, coming to the base camp, this lab that is the configure cloud buckets which is suitable for load balancing and fault tolerance. It is also currently in problem. Okay, I think it will be also marked as optional, or we'll try our best to prepare the solution, but currently we are facing issue. Once it is fixed, the solution will be live. So the basic update was there. And if you're interested in knowing more about the arcade program, how to register, I've shared the registration links. Also, the complete guide for the cohort one is already live in the channel. If you just check the channel, you can clearly see all the videos are available on the channel. You can see whatever your queries regarding registration, what's next, what is Arcade Insider, how to register in the program, what is Arcade Facilitator, all things are covered on the channel. Also, the related solutions are present too. So make sure to check it out. And if you have any doubts, do let me in the comment section. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.